Blizzard defensive line can get after the quarterback. Keep an eye on that all evening.
Big chance here, 4th down, that'll be converted. Rob Brown down the sideline, he will burst his way into the end zone, and the Arizona Rattlers open up the scoring. Fake it, didn't fool the defensive end, but what a reach by Myler. The ball came out somewhere in all of that. The officials are standing right at the goal line. And that will be a Green Bay touchdown, and I think that's a pretty good call by the official. Hands it off, Isaiah Houston, and he will break off one. Spin his way in for a Rattler touchdown. Back to the backfield, and he's going to provide some max protection. Throw right side, Myler overthrows. Castleberry interception. He'll bring it out of the end zone, and Ethan Castleberry has the first Arizona takeaway of the game. Keep it on the ground. The option with success. Dalton Sneed is in the end zone with a Rattler touchdown. Cagle has it, and he is able to weave his way inside the 5 and into the end zone. That is a Green Bay touchdown. And what a run!
In your mind.
9.5 seconds. The Rattlers give it. Ron Brown Jr. easily across for a Rattler touchdown.
You know, we got to bring more urgency, be more dominant than them. It's always intense.
Sounds a lot like Kevin Guy might say that. Here's the give. Ron Brown Jr. And he's able to weave his way through that defense into the end zone. That's an Arizona Rattlers touchdown. In the middle of all of that, the Blizzard. Fire, pass, caught, touchdown, Green Bay. Very short, 3rd and about a yard to go. Take that toss, go around Strader on the left side. And that is a Rattlers touchdown. Handed off on the speed sweep. That'll be a dive toward the pylon for a touchdown.
Very important drive for the Arizona Rattlers.
Yeah, still a lot of football left to be played. Opportunities for heroes to rise up. That one delivered across the middle. That one is going to be tipped and intercepted. It was behind the receiver. Now it's punched out. It's in the end zone. And it looks like the Rattlers are on top of it. That may have gone from disaster to second life for the Rattlers offense.
Really feel is a fumble by the offense, recovered by the defense, who then fumbled, which was recovered by the offense. In the end zone for a touchback. 1st and 10, Arizona.
Rattlers have the football.
Yeah, and here it comes right across the front of our bow. Here's a flip left side, 1st down yardage. And a run for a touchdown! Throw the ball up in the air out of the backfield. What a catch! What a catch for a big 1st down to the 21-yard line. Well, Cagle he has proven himself throughout the game. Come on now, 4th down play, big 4th down. Green Bay left side, the quarterback will take on the defender, and there goes Myler. He's got the 1st down, but the ball is ripped out of there, and the Rattlers will have possession. It does not appear that they were whistling down the running back.
Recovered by the defense.
Arizona Rattlers will break what I believe has been the longest losing streak in Kevin Guy's head coaching career.
That's what he said yesterday.